Hello again everybody and welcome back to Clastify Tutorials. Today we're diving deep into the most popular IB subject, which is obviously math. I'll be breaking down the top 10 math IA mistakes, and you'll learn not just what these mistakes are, but also how to avoid them and some expert tips to elevate your IA. They will apply both to Math AA and Math AI IAs. Trust me, if you're aiming for that top score in your essay, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below on which part of the IA you find the most challenging. Ready to boost your IA skills? Let's jump right into it. Organization. It's not just about keeping your desk tidy, it's about structuring your thoughts and your work. Before you start writing, plan out your IA. Break it down into sections: introduction, investigation, analysis, and conclusion. What will you cover in each part? How will they connect? This isn't just about making your life easier, it's about making your IA stronger and more coherent. A well-organized IA is like a well-told story. It flows smoothly and keeps the reader engaged. Firstly, presentation matters a lot in your IA. When your equations are not centered, it can distract readers and make your work look messy. Centering equations helps in maintaining a clean, professional appearance, which you definitely want in your Math IA. Make sure each equation is in line with your text, enhancing readability and showing attention to detail. In your introduction or methodology, precisely state the math concepts you're using. Mention specific terms and syllabus chapters. This not only shows your understanding, but also guides the reader on what to expect. It's like giving a roadmap of your IA's journey in math, enhancing clarity and focus. Like in this example, the introduction includes a general description of students' approach to the topic and what area of math curriculum the exploration focuses on. The student states here that he will be creating, modeling, and placing functions on population pyramids. This is the proper way to specify the math area in the introduction. Using screenshots for equations can reduce the quality and professionalism of your work. It's best to type them out directly in your document. This shows you're adept with mathematical formatting and dedicated to producing a high-quality IA. Plus, it ensures your equations are clear and part of the cohesive flow of your document. Similar to equations, inserting tables or graphs as screenshots instead of creating them in the document is a mistake. Crafting tables and graphs within your document keeps everything aligned with academic requirements and it looks clean. It also makes it easier for your readers to follow your data. Your conclusion should reflect back on the initial objectives of your IA. This ties together your entire exploration, showing how your findings relate back to your original goals. A conclusion that doesn't reference the initial aim can leave readers with an incomplete understanding of your exploration's purpose. In your evaluation, it's easy to focus on the weaknesses and limitations, but don't forget to highlight your strengths. An evaluation that focuses only on weaknesses gives a one-sided view of your work, making it not balanced properly. Highlight the strengths too, because this shows that you can critically assess your work from all angles, recognizing both what went well and what could be improved. When discussing the potential extensions of your study, don't just stop at one idea. Offer 2 or 3 possibilities because this will show a deeper engagement with your topic and a broader understanding of its implications. It's about showing your ability to think beyond the scope of your current project. Always acknowledge the tools you've used, like specific graphing software or calculators. This adds transparency to your process and informs readers about the methods behind your calculations. It's an important part of academic honesty and adds credibility to your work. Accuracy in math is everything. You can have the best written IA, but if your results and conclusions are off, it all falls apart. So, how do you ensure accuracy? First, take time with your calculations. Rushing leads to mistakes. After you've done your work, step away for a bit. Come back with fresh eyes to check your calculations. It's also a great idea to have someone else review your work. They might see something you've missed. And remember, your conclusions should directly flow from your results. They should be logical and evidence-based. Math is always evolving, so using outdated or inaccurate sources can really hurt your IA. Make sure your research is current and comes from reliable sources. This not only strengthens your IA credibility, but also shows that you're engaged with the latest developments in the field. A well-researched IA is a strong IA. And that's a wrap on the top 10 math IA mistakes. We've covered everything from choosing your topic wisely to the importance of proofreading. Remember, each aspect plays a vital role in reaching the top score. I hope you found this guide invaluable. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to check the description for more resources. We've got a wealth of materials at Clastify.com, and we're always here to review your IAs too. Feel free to browse our resources or submit your work for expert feedback. Until next time, and see you in the next video.